Hi, I am so excited. I'm going to do an unboxing of my Avon products. I just ordered some demos from my company, Avon, and they're here, and I'm just so excited. I couldn't wait to see what's in the box, and I thought, hey, I'll share it with you as well. So let's open the box. So here we go. I'm gonna open up the box. And as you can see, it hasn't been opened yet. Okay, really excited. So what's in the box? Well, Avon this year has promised that they are going to be delivering products every single campaign that are really on trend, dynamic, and we just will not be able to wait to see what they have coming. So I thought, I'm excited. So when they're coming out with these things, I can't wait to get my order and see. And I thought, hey, maybe you feel the same way. So hey, let's see what's in my box. Well, it looks like in this box I have some clothing. This is a Delilah keyhole top. So let's take a look at that and see what it is. Sometimes I don't even remember what I order. What do you think about that? I didn't even remember ordering that. Okay, so that's number one. This is called a Betty dress. So if your name is Betty, you have to get this so you can say I'm wearing my Betty dress. Or maybe you have a friend and her name's Betty, so you can get this for her as well. I just really liked it. It's my style. But Avon has so many different clothes and styles. So let's see what we got here. What do you guys think? Do you love it? I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. It's nice, easy to wear. Oh my goodness. What else is in here? I was really excited to see this because Valentine's Day will be coming. So this is Hugs, and he is Everett the Singing Elephant. This is for ages 3 and up. And oh, we have to put batteries in him. I'll have to show him. I'll have to come back and show you him on another video just so we can see how he works. But this is Everett. Say hi, Everett. What else? Okay, here's the 3 I am really excited about. Okay, so beach time will be coming. Maybe you have some vacation time off and you'll be going. And we have products that are going to deliver. End of the line stretch mark minimizing lotion. Yay! Who wants stretch marks? Not me. Let's see what this is. Affirm Yourself Firming Body Cream. I know with being older, trying to keep my skin firm, that's been a work in progress. So that definitely is something I can use. Smooth Moves. Anti-cellulite cooling gel. Yay! So do you have cellulite? Do you need to firm? Do you have stretch marks? Avon is delivering. Super excited. Let's see what else is in here. So I have more of that. I have, let's see here. This is the new line eraser with retinol. And retinol is a really fantastic product. This wrinkle treatment formulated with retinol to reduce fine lines and wrinkles in just 1 week. Wow. So this is lightweight, it's fast acting, and super happy that we have this in the order as well. So that's the exciting stuff in this. And you can see I'm excited because I've ordered more than just one because I am really excited. Let's see what's in my other box. I don't even know. Oh, it looks like I have some type of jewelry here too. So let's take a look at that. See what we have. It's like Christmas. And this is the Modern Pearly Linear Earrings. So let's take a look. Oh, and I like them. I like. Can't wait to wear those. Yes. I like getting demo products that I like, so if I like them, it's easy for me to share them with other people as well. And so normally I focus on things that I like. I don't know where my scissors went, so let's just rip it the old-fashioned way here. And what do I have here? I have, this is a new Millennium Anorak Silver. Let's just take a look and see what it is. How about that? There you go. What do you guys? Whoa. It has a hood. And it's a jacket. I just love jackets, and I thought, wow, this is just so stylish. So I can't wait to wear that as well. Ooh, I got some sunglasses here too. Let's take them out. I love sunglasses. I think it's a great accessory. Fun. It's an inexpensive way to make a statement. So let's take a look. And here they are. What do you think? Let's see if I can, yeah, there you go. My sunglasses. Well, of course, my demonstration products, but I just love them. And this is a sporting around sweatshirt dress. So let's take a look at that too. So who do you know? Yeah, I can't wait to try this one on. I do like the color blue. And what I liked about this, it was, let me see if I can show you the bottom of this. See how the back is longer than the front. And I thought that that was kind of stylish, kind of different. And so I can't wait to try that as well. So that is what I have to show you. And I'm telling you, I'm really super excited about these products because on the cellulite, 98% saw improvement in just 4 weeks. So definitely is a product to try if you have cellulite. Wow. Dramatically reducing the look of even the most persistent cellulite. So super excited about that. 96% showed improvement in firmness and tone. Look at that. So exciting about that as well. And the stretch marks, in 2 weeks, dramatically reduces the appearance of stretch marks. Yay! So that is my unboxing for today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you again next time.